All right, so today we're in Nashua, New Hampshire, where the McGovern Automotive Group is hosting the second round of Girls Inc. Campers. Let's go check it out.
Hi, I'm Zach Casey. I'm the Vice President here at McGovern Auto Group, and we are in Nashua, New Hampshire at our Toyota location celebrating Women's Day. We love to promote and show everybody that our industry is for everybody. So from mechanics to salespeople to our leadership team, we love women in the workplace.
We got a great group of girls that came in. We have our station set up. Great event. Hopefully we can continue to do this in years going forward. Love to support our female technicians in their development and get them excited about this trade and this industry.
We're inviting girls to join the automotive industry, and I'm trying to welcome them in. We can help them become technicians, salespeople, service directors, general managers, whatever they're interested in. This field has room, and we're asking for them to join us.
Just thanks for everybody coming out and putting in the effort, and we hope to get some girls excited about this industry.